Now let's switch to my left hand. As you can see, it's still not touching anything, right? So both of your hands while you're typing, neither of them is going to touch the pad. So it's not going to cause any problem like that, which is good. Now, with HP, I do know they have some model where they kind of shift the position of the touchpad to the left. Okay, I know some model they have that, but not all the model, and I'm not sure why they don't have that, this specific model. And plus this is a new model, it's not any old model or something like that. So now I also want to talk about this really cool features it has on the HP laptop. This little quick play button here, as well as this playback button here on this HP laptop. Quick play is a really good way where you can allows you to watch movies and pictures, music, and listen to music and stuff. But I mean, people like it just because the way it works is supposed to just run it without booting to any system. Now back to Windows XP, it does have that function. Basically, if you click that button, it's gonna just run quick play without boot into the XP system. So obviously that's gonna cost you less battery uses, so you can get longer battery life. Now in Windows Vista, I don't think they did a good job with it, because when you're still clicking on this button, it's not even running quick play. It'll just boot in Windows Vista first, then running quick play. So I don't think that's a good way to do that. I mean, that's why I don't use it anymore. All I use quick play only for the webcam, because that's like the only way I can use webcam. Other than that, I'm not using it anymore. I just don't think it's I don't think it's necessary to use it now. But I do like the playback button here. As you can see, you can play and stop, pause, or stop the song, and you can even mute the sound. And here there is a volume control button here. Basically, it's a really easy way to help you adjust the volume control. Now, I know some people are saying or complain that this button was really hard to use and it's really confused them, because they feel like it's really hard for them to clicking on this little minus sign here each time if you want to lower the to click this minus button here every time when they wanted to turn down the volume, and if you wanted to turn on the volume, you can have to touch on the plus sign here. Well, there's an easy way to do that. You don't have to do it. I mean, you can, of course you can do it like that, but that's not the only way to do it. The easiest way to do it is to slide it all the way to the left, and that will basically turn up the value. And if you want to turn down the value a little bit, just slide it all the way down. Now this is really easy. I mean, it's just really easy to do it. I'm pretty sure that's going to help a lot of people. So basically, that's what I thought about this two laptop. And here you can see there's a wireless here. There's a wireless lock button here, where I think it's really convenient, because when you do not want to use wireless, let's say if you're in a class or something where you want to have longer battery life, it's better for you to disable it. So you can just by doing that, you just locked it, and you just turn off the wireless. Same thing goes to the IBM laptop. They have really similar design here. They also have a Wi-Fi turn on, turn off button here, where you can lock it, and then you just basically turn it off. However, it's kind of the button. I don't really like it. It's really hard to do it. Yes, that's it. By the way, this laptop, HP laptop, comes with a remote control where you can find it here. I haven't really used it a lot, but it sure is fun to use. This is a remote control where you can watch movies and play songs and stuff. You can actually even using that thing for like the mouse trackpad. You can even do that. You can use it to open the start menu, and you can choose program you want to open. So that's kind of cool. Now I want to talk about the battery life for both of the laptop. This IBM laptop comes with a standard 4-cell battery, which is pretty light, and that's standard battery. You can order the 6-cell battery, which give you longer battery life, but this one I think is just fine. It runs about more than between 2 and 3 hours. I think I haven't really tested, because usually when I put there, it just goes to the black screen. So I'm assuming they're not using a lot of power, so I don't know how long it's gonna run if I always turn on the screen and keep using it. I would assuming it's gonna run at least 2 hours. But for this HP laptop here, it has a monster-like batteries. That's the battery. So you can tell it's a huge 12-cell battery. This is crazy. I didn't really, because this battery comes with the laptop. So if I ordered it, I have a choice. I wouldn't really order that, because I don't need that long battery, and it's really huge to carry as well. This battery, without the internet turned on, it's gonna run more than 8 hours, and it's gonna run over 6 hours with the wireless turned on. So it's really heavy. It's really good for people who just, I don't know, just use the laptop without power supply for a long time. It's great for those people. But for me, for average users, you wouldn't really consider buying a battery like that. As you can compare those two batteries, you can tell the difference between those obviously.